Good morning, Manha, Janvi, and Sri Shagvi. Janvi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Manha, good morning. Shagvi, good morning.
Good morning, ma'am.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Yeah, good morning. Good morning.
How are you, ma'am?
Fine, thank you.
Hi, ma'am.
Hi. Yes, good morning, everyone.
Hanvi.
Yeah, what did we do yesterday? We have seen grammars. Sanvi, why are you here? Call your brother Ayan. Yes, we know. What did we learn till now, Nana? Computer, about computer, right? Computer is a smart machine. Why it is a smart machine? Because it can do many lot of things at a time, right? It can do number of calculations in fraction of seconds, and it never gets tired, never does mistakes, right? That is why computer is a human machine and it works on electricity, right?
వచ్చి కూర్చోరంటే క్లాస్కి ఏమో
Yes, now we'll see some more things about the computer. See here, everyone. Can you see the screen, everyone? Yes. Can everyone see the screen? Yes. Janvi, can you see the screen? Ragvi, can you see the screen?
4 exists there.
Yes.
That's equal to 4, right? Whenever a number is 4 greater than 4, sorry, less than 4 or equal to 4, then there is no need of change.
सदा ब्रैकेट उदाला आप ब्रैकेट लेट
Yeah, now see this. Everyone, you know all these things, right? What are the natural things? What are the man-made things? Everything we have learned, right?
डेट को किससे मैच करता है
अपोजिट वर्ड्स
अपोजिट लेट करना नहीं
लेट लेट हाँ
देखो लेट ले मैच करो नीचे से पहले आओ ऊपर से यहाँ तक लाना सीधा सीधा ले आके लेट को टच करो डेट को चिन को क्या करते हैं गाना डी को स्किन नहीं
चिन स्किन
सर वहां से अच्छा वर्ड के ऊपर से लेते बेटा यहाँ से ले
साइड चलो
कोने के ऊपर से लिया स्किन
नहीं स्किन ये वाला
चिन कहाँ है थी स्किन के ऊपर है अंदर से थी समझ करो ऐसा ले आओ स्किन को
ये हाँ नीचे ये वाला
बी वाला
नैप बोल दो
नैप बोल दो यहाँ देखो जी नैप किसको लिखते हैं लैब को लिखो लैब को
ए इधर
लैब को लिखो
एक को करो
एक को मैं
ये ना थर्ड वाला थर्ड वाला
लैब को और क्या है बैट काइट को
काइट
लिखो
हाँ
यहाँ काइट बिट करो बैट
हाँ स्टार
बार स्टार स्टार बार
ओके
हो गया ना
Yes. We have seen all these, right? What do we do? What are the uses of the computer? What are the types of the computers? And what are the characteristics of the computer? Now we'll see some more things about computer, right? See this, everyone. What are the do's and don'ts with computers? Are you able to see, everyone? Can you see, children, everyone?
I am don't see.
Yes?
do's and does not do's and
Yes,
don'ts
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
Yes, now see this. Do's and don'ts means what you have to do with the computer, what you have not to do with the computers, right? See, first one, always you should keep the computer, whatever the surroundings are there near the computer, that should be clean, right? Next, always you have to cover the computer after the use. Means you have used the computer, then afterwards you have to cover it if you are not using it. Now, and one more thing is you should not eat or drink in front of the computer, right? And always you should be gentle, means slowly you have to use the computer, means you have not to bang the computer keys on the keyboard like keyboard, right? What happens if you bang the keyboards? It will not work, right? Next is, you should not pull the parts of the computer away from it. See there in the picture what the girl is doing? She is pulling the computer keyboard, right? That is not the correct thing. Next one is, you should not pull any wires connected to the CPU. What happens if you pull the wire? You get shock or you'll get hurt. So you should not pull any wire which are connected to the CPU. And you have to ask the teacher every time you want to. Means if you are in school, you have to ask the teacher how to use the computer, on or off. If you are at home, you have to ask, take the help of your parents, and you have to do the work in front of the computer in their guidance. Okay, they will guide you how to use a computer, and in school who will guide you? Teachers will guide you, right? And you should not put fingers into any slot means the power slots will be there, right? There you should not put your fingers. What happens if you keep your fingers there? You'll get electric shock. You might get electric shock, which is not safe for you. So these are the things which you have to do and which you have not to do with the computer. What you have to do? Arhan, answer me beta.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, what you have to do? Is it good when you eat in front of the computer?
Computer.
You have to eat in front of computer.
No.
You should not
No.
eat or drink in front of the computer. Very good. Okay. Now Azra,
Asra बुला रहे
Ma'am.
Azra, is it
Yes,
safe?
ma'am.
Yes,
Yeah,
ma'am.
yeah, is it safe to pull the wires of the CPU?
बोलो क्या बोले पूछो आगे नहीं
Is it safe? You need to pull the wires.
क्वेश्चन पूछो बोलो पीके
Ma'am.
Is it safe? Is it safe to pull the wires of the CPU?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Ma'am, say again.
Is it safe when you pull the wires of the CPU?
Pull the wire. No.
No. What happens if you pull the wire?
करंट
Current shot.
Yes, you will get current shock. Okay, very good. Next. Yeah, Advait. Advait, answer me. Advait, answer
Yes,
me.
ma'am.
Yeah, how to use the parts of the computer? You have to very rash or gentle. Bang on the computer keys, keyboard, or you will use them safely.
Calculations.
No, I'm asking whether, I mean, you will use the parts of the computer very slowly, or you will beat on the keys of the keyboard.
Computer.
You did not understand my question, right?
Ma'am, your voice is sucking. I can't hear you.
How do you use the computer parts? Do you beat them or do you use them softly?
Monitor to display. See.
Yeah, okay. Okay, right. So, first of all, you have to keep the a surrounding area of the computer very clean, right? And always after the use of the computer, what you have to do? You have to cover it. Okay, then you should never drink or eat in front of the computer, and always you should be gentle with the parts of the computer. Gentle means you should use them softly, not like banging them like anything. You should use the parts of the computer very softly, right? And always for the safety purpose, what you have to do, you should not pull the wires which are connected to the CPU, and you should not put fingers into the power slots of the computer or computer CPU. And whose help you have to take? If you are in the school, you have to take the help of the teacher, or at home, you have to take the help of the parents, right? Now coming to next one. See this? Yeah, what is this? That is first one. The first what I have shown is how to use the parts of the computer and how to be with computers. Now what? How to sit in front of the computer. Are you able to see everyone? Am I clear to everyone? Are you all clear, Amma? Are you understanding what I am explaining you, everyone? Yes? Janvi, tell me what happened. Is it clear? Answer me, everyone. Yes, yes. Are you able to understand?
Yes.
Yes, very good.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, now
Yes,
how?
ma'am.
Okay, how you have to sit in front of the computer? How you have to sit? See the posters. What I am showing here. See, they have given which how to sit, right or wrong. Right means that is a position you have to sit in front of the computer sheet. The backbone should be straight. It should not be bent. So how to maintain good posture when sitting at a desk all the day? How to sit? The picture is clear, right? See here the man also, see how he is sitting. Always the eyesight, you should be somewhat 50 centimeters away from the system. You should not sit very. Yes, this is a posture how you have to sit in front of the computer. Always you should be straight. The backbone should be straight, clear, and you should you should maintain some distance between the monitor and the chair or where you sit. The seating arrangement should be in such a way that some distance should be there between you and the system, means the eyesight and the monitor screen. So it should not be so close to the system monitor screen. What happens if you sit so closely? Your eyesight might disturb, right? You may get some eyesight problems, sight problems you may get if you sit so close to the computer screen. Clear, children, everyone? Yes. See how the man is sitting? Exactly like that. You have to sit in front of the computer. You should not be so close to the system, and you should not bend your backbone. Clear, everyone? Children, are you all clear with this? Everyone? What are the do's and don'ts of the computer, and how to maintain your sitting posture in front of the computer? Is it clear, everyone? Azra, concentrate on the class. Yes, is it clear everyone? What are the do's and don'ts? What you have to do and what you have not to do in front of the computer and how to is it clear everyone? What again?
Do's and don'ts.
Do's and don'ts, Janvi. Yeah, see this on the screen. Always keep the computer and its nearby area clean. Means whatever the surroundings area of the if you are keeping a computer on the table should be very clean, right? And whenever if after the use of you have used a computer and after that what you have to do, you have to cover it with some cloth or something so that there won't be any dust. Then you should not eat or drink in front of the computer. What happens? You will throw something there and it becomes tidy, right? Next, be gentle. Be gentle means always you should be soft towards the parts of the computer. You should not pull any parts away from the computer and you should not bang the computer keyboard, right? What happens if you bang tick the keys will break, right? And safety, coming to safety, you should not pull any wire which are connected to the CPU and you should not put fingers into any power slot. Current this thing power slots will be there. You should not put your fingers because you might get power shock. Finally, and if you are in the school and if you want to use a computer, you have to take the help of your teacher. Whereas when you are at home, parents help you have to take to use computer. You alone should never use a computer. Like you should not never computer on or off, right? That should be done by your parents. Take the help of your parents when you are at home. Take the help of your teacher when you are at school. Is it clear what do's and what don'ts you have to do with the computer? And everyone clear? Everyone, is it clear, Amma? Any doubts you are having or you are not able to understand anything else?
Yes, ma'am, I understood.
You understood?
Shaggy.
Everybody understood?
Yes, ma'am. बोलो बेटा. Yes,
So,
ma'am.
what from today how will you keep your computer? You have to keep your computer very neat. Okay, after you are using the computer, you have to cover it and you should never drink or eat in front of your computers or laptops, whatever it is. And always you have to use the parts of the computer softly. You should not bang the parts of the computer. Okay, and you should not pull any wires which are connected to the CPU, right? Now how you have to sit in front of the computer? You have to sit very some distance. You should maintain some distance between you and the computer. There should be some distance between the computer and you. You should not sit so close to the computer. What happens if you sit so close? You will get sight problems. Eyesight problems you might get. So maintain some distance between you and the computer screen and always sit straight. The backbone should be straight. You can see the pictures, right? How they are sitting. Right posture and wrong posture. Are you able to understand the postures, right? By seeing the pictures, right? That is a way you have to maintain while sitting in front of the computer. Clear, everyone?
देखिए राइट है रॉन्ग है, देखो कैसा बैठे सही है था। स्ट्रेट बैठना है या बैठना? स्ट्रेट वन बोलो। The horse has voted all.
Yes, see, the girl is sitting straight, that is right. And one is sitting like this bending. So that is not the correct posture. And you should not sit so close to the computer screen also. Some distance should be there between you and the computer screen.
ऐसा बैठना, स्ट्रेट बैठना कंप्यूटर के आगे। This is right.
Even if you are sitting in front of the laptops also, you have to sit, you have to maintain the same distance as you sit in front of the computer. Laptop also, if you sit down, whatever it is, always you should sit straight and maintain some distance between you and the system, so that you might not get sight problems, vision problems you might not get. Okay, children, everyone understood? Clear now? Will you take out your classworks, everyone? Will you take out your classworks? Wherever you have stopped yesterday, continue. This is same topic, but some extension of the topic. That's it. Take out your classworks, everyone. Yeah, did you all do yesterday homework, whatever I have sent in MCB?
Homework. Every day कर रहे हैं।
Did you all do the homework yesterday's? Yes or no? Yes or no? Have you done? Everybody done the homework?
अरे बता रही हूँ मैं बच्ची।
Then show your books. Janvi have taken printouts. Very good.
लिखे क्या वो बता दे दी। हाँ ये लिखे तुम कल कौन है?
Yes, show me.
हाँ लिखे ना कल बुक लाओ उसरा कहाँ है? लिखे नहीं? हाँ ऊपर बुक है ऊपर में ला ऊपर से बुक ला ले भागो। इसका देखो सी बुक देते सही पढ़ना लेकिन सारी हाथ मोड़ देते पकड़ के।
Yeah, some network problem. I can't see you all.
चला निकाला सा बुक निकाला जाना कहाँ चली ठीक है पता है कौन सा लिखे बता चल
Amira Nehal is not listening in the class.
दीदी को बता बेटा
Yes, show your homeworks, everyone. Hayati, you did not do?
Ayan did not write, madam. Did not written.
Where is he? Ayan?
Ayan.
Ayan, what happened to you yesterday? Our classwork also you are hesitating to write?
Did not written, ma'am. He is sleeping.
He was sleeping.
Hmm.
Tanvi, you can help your brother, na?
Ayan.
My class is going on, ma'am.
You continue your class, not now. After classes, you can help him in doing his homeworks.
Okay, ma'am.
Yeah.
But he is not support.
He will not support her.
Mm-hmm.
He will not listen to her.
Okay.
Right. And remaining, what else? Bhanu Manvit, have you completed? Can I see? Will you show me? Show me on the screen.
ICT ma'am.
Okay, good. Brindraj? Your homework? Where is your homework, Brindraj? Brindraj, homework. And Swagvi, where is your homework, beta?
Ma'am.
Yes, Swagvi, did you complete, Amma? Show me on the screen. Have you done the homework, Swagvi?
Huh?
Homework, did you do the homework?
No, ma'am.
Why? You did not receive the homework?
No, ma'am. You keep it screen, ma'am.
I kept in MCB. And Dhruti, did you do, ma? Show me if you have done. Dhruti? Siddharth, okay, good. Okay. Ronald, okay, I have seen. COVID Vadhya, okay, done. So almost all have done your homeworks, right? So today also I will send you do the homeworks, okay? Right? So tomorrow I will give you the notes on these do's and don'ts. Okay? Right now it's time completed. Okay? Take care everyone. Complete the homeworks and also classwork in time. No pending work should be there. And this Sunday you'll be having your GAT. Everyone listen. You will be having GAT on parts of the computer we have completed, right? Parts of the computer, okay? On that topic, you will have 10 marks test on Sunday, right? So last Sunday you have written some tests, right? Not ICT, other subjects you have written. So this Sunday you will have ICT also. You will write ICT test on Sunday on parts of computers. Clear everyone? Right? Bye everyone.